I implemented writing workshop from the very first day of school in September of 2004, and I had no idea what I was doing. But I had a great literacy coach. Her name was Pat Warner. She had come from the Manhattan New School, and she was in her first year as a coach, and I was in my first year as a teacher, and we bonded, and we lived very close to one another. And she used to spend hours with me after school, and we would walk home together, helping me understand the basic principles of writing workshop. And I remember the very first publishing party I had with my students. I published a piece alongside them, and it was a real aha moment for me because Pat said, you have to write alongside your students. It's not an option. And I did. And so every publishing celebration was exciting because I used to publish my own work alongside my students, and we would sit and read each other's work, and it felt more writer to writer than teacher to student, as where other subjects like math and reading and social studies more felt like me as the teacher and them as the student. Writing workshop just had a very different dynamic.